how to fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So if you are trying to log into your Facebook account through any web browser and it's not working, so how you can fix it? First of all, go to the Play Store and there search for Facebook application and search for any updates available. So if any updates are available, tap on it to update it first. Make sure to update the application first, then after you just have to tap and hold on the Facebook account, go to the app information and tap on force stop, tap on OK, then try to log into your Facebook account. Tap on this three horizontal line, go to the settings and privacy, tap on settings, here search for media, scroll down and make sure that the option that open link in external browser, this is toggled on, and enable this option. After that, go back and go to the settings, scroll down to apps, tap on manage apps. Now search for the browser from where you are trying to log into your Facebook account. Then tap on force stop and then here go to the app permissions and make sure that all the permissions are allowed. Then after, go to the clear data, tap on clear cache, clear all the cache and clear all the data. After that, search for the Facebook application and again clear cache and clear all data. After that, try to log in to your Facebook account through the web browser that you preferred and your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.